A global memory crisis is breaking device economics. Refresh costs are rising rapidly, turning routine refresh cycles into an urgent budget crisis. IT must choose between upgrading employee devices or funding other priorities. With Riverbed Aternity, you don't have to choose. Aternity Smart Device Refresh solves this challenge by collecting accurate, real-time performance and health data across the entire device fleet and correlating it with user experience to identify which devices should be kept, upgraded, or replaced. Start with the Smart Device Scenario Library. Choose a default scenario or customize it to align with your organization's refresh policies in the dashboard. You can use the Scenario Builder to evaluate key parameters like device performance, health, hardware specs, application performance, warranty status, and more. Every adjustment is reflected in the Insights panel, showing the impact on devices and cost savings. When you're ready to move forward, the Action Planner simplifies implementation. Save and export your plan so you can operationalize your strategy with confidence. Take the guesswork out of device refresh. Smarter strategies, happier employees, and optimized budgets.